Gaius, are you yakking? Hi there, you're so cute. Mr. Gaius. Oh, who just had that poo? Someone just had a runny poo. That's Mr. Gaius. Was that you? Did you just have a runny poo? Did anyone see who was in the litter box just now? Oh, he's purring. Oh, that's a nice purr. Oh, Mr. Gaius is purring. Oh, he likes that. Yeah. Should we weigh Mr. Gaius? I didn't even weigh anyone today. Are you gonna go to sleep? You're not gonna pee in there, are you, buddy? Oh, excuse me. Oops, whoops, sorry. Where are you gonna pee? Little Marby. Hi, Mr. Gaius. Here, what do you think about it? Andrew just put his butt in the water bowl while Mr. Gaius was trying to drink. Alright, we'll keep an eye on the situation. Hopefully no one will pee in bed back there. There are 3 litter boxes. Mr. Hilo, such a big boy. Alright. What are you guys doing out there, huh? Did you go potty? No, he's hiding.